Hey, what's up, YouTubers? I got a Ford Expedition. It's a 2004 4.6 liter POS model. I'm just joking, it's a piece of shit Ford, but we're gonna be doing sway bar end links today because if you notice right here, this is your sway bar, and there's your sway bar end link, and there's supposed to be some bushings in here, which are probably have been rotted, and they are completely missing now. So it doesn't look like there's that much tension between the sway bar and the lower control arm. What you may want to do is, see I have that jack stand over there on the bottom supporting that lower control arm. But what we're gonna do is you want to come down here, and underneath that is a 14 millimeter, 15 millimeter. We're gonna knock that loose, and this is all gonna come down. So let's. Got my 15 millimeter. And what I'm gonna do is just come up from the bottom on that 15. And it's turning the top, as you can see. So the top is a 16. So I'm gonna hold that in place. Oh shit, that motherfucker came loose. Hey, babe. Damn. The fuck? Damn, that bitch rusty as fuck. Alright. It's not. Sure. Do me a favor. Hold that. Ratchet. Yep. I got it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she was tight. Ooh, she's real tight. Oh yeah. Break you loose, bitch. Yeah. Like it?
No.
Huh? Oh, tight little bitch. Ooh. You gotta talk dirty to it. Make it do what you wanted to do.
Oh, wow, looks like I have no brakes.
Yeah, they getting gone. They about gone. Them damn upper ball joints is fucked too. Them bitches is gone. They really ain't got too no play in it though. They got they just boot busted. Doesn't really look safe though. Anyway, my impact wasn't working, so what I have is a 1/2-inch drive breaker bar with a 15mm on the end, and I'm holding top and holding top with a 16 while ratcheting on the bottom with a 15. And it's probably loose enough where I can put the impact on it now. Alright, there we go. I got a 15 off. And all of this crap will come out there now. Be stuck. Son. Oh. Oh. Huh? Those straps. It's not here. I want those straps.
Are they intact? Are they busted or what?
She look at them and just say you want them or not by looking at them. You make the call. They look like pretty heavy duty straps. Alright, so what I think I'm going to do so I don't want to come out. Alright, so it seems to be rusted within the slot. Whenever you're in doubt, anytime you have a problem, the first thing you do is grab a goddamn hammer, beat the goddamn hell out of it. Oh yeah, bitch. Anyway, Usually seems to work. Alright, so it was just frozen within the inside of it. So that's what happens. Gets rusted. Alright, so now we're gonna put on our new stuff. Make sure I get this all oriented the right way. What do I have here? New sway bar end link. And alright, let me show you. The way I'm gonna do this. These two, and I'm gonna show you how to put it on here. So I'm gonna come in through the top. So I need to have my top stuff first. Let's see. Like so. Alright, that's gonna go in anyway. Alright. First. So, one like that, one like that. Alright, I'm gonna do first, drop this down in here. Get the first one like that. Whoops, okay, got that on backwards. Flip it around. Like that. Alright, so that's how you want first one, something like that. No, totally backwards. Backwards, totally backwards. Alright, that's the wrong way to do it. Alright. Okay. I just woke up, people. Come on. Give me a break. Alright. That was backwards. Alright. Here we go. Yeah. There we go. Alright, that's how you want it to be. Hey, bushings in here with the rubber part and the inside the metal part, metal bushings on the outside. Alright, so then a bunch of metal bushings on the outside. We're gonna put in our slot, a little middle shaft link, and what you're gonna have to do is raise this up a little bit so that you can get this one right here and push it through. And what you want to do, try to push it out. Son of a bitch. Da-da-da-da. No. Alright. And then this is an 18 millimeter. Da-da-da-da. Oh yeah! Oh shit! And again, just want to hold the top. Let's see what the impact on the bottom. It's 18. And I'm gonna do is jack up the suspension. This little bit. And just jacking the suspension just a little bit, take some of the tension off. Oh yeah, ain't got to be super tight. When you see those bushings start to compress slightly, that's when you know they're tight enough. You just want to have a small amount of tension on them. Just a small amount. Don't want to kill them. Alright. Bam. So that's it. And what I did here, at the bottom. That's it right there. Get it. Better look here. Hold up. Oh yeah. See, it's just starting to squeeze a little bit, but that's an 18 on the bottom, 18 millimeter. The top is again a 16. This is a Moog suspension problem solver piece. But anyway, this is what you should look like right here. Metal bushing on the bottom, then your rubber bushing. Then up here, you got a rubber bushing, then metal. Here's your sleeve, end link on the inside. You got your metal bushing on the bottom. The rubber should be touching your suspension part. And again, your rubber up here touching the suspension part, and the metal between them on the top. But that's it right there. We can go ahead and go over to the other side because, as you can see, the other side is jacked the fuck up too. That bitch is about to bust right there. And I hit these threads with some PB Blaster just before doing this, and you see I got the frame right there. I got it jacked up on the frame here. In order to let the suspension drop down, and then I can play with it by moving the control arms up and down if I need to give myself a little more room. So anyway, go ahead and do the other side too. Alright, so we're back at the driver's side. Let's do this one more time. One more motherfucking time, baby. Back here a little bit here, so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, now what we have here, you like that fake ass Australian accent, don't you? That fake ass British accent, huh? Yeah. Alright, turn this to the off position so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, mate. Now, what we have here is a Ford piece of shit Explorer. And I'm doing the sway bar inlays on the driver's side. Oh, shit. It's fucking raining out here and shit. You talking shit over there? Huh? I got something for you, girl. Oh yeah? You take your drawers off and find out, huh? Take them panties off. I'll show you what I got for you. Ah, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, yeah, she's tight. Oh, yeah. Bust that fucking nut, eh? Yeah. Alright. Oh, yeah. Alright. Let's get really fucking serious now. Really fucking serious. Oh yeah. Oh, she's all rusty. She needs some lubrication, some KY jelly, eh? Oh yeah. Oh, that pussy right there. Rusty and dusty. Alright. Oh yeah. Fucking like that shit, huh? You fucking like it, huh? Oh yeah. That bitch ain't coming out either. Get my hammer. Beat the goddamn fucking shit out of you, you fucking piece of shit. Oh, bitch. Oh yeah. How you like me now, bitch? Yeah. That's how we do it, all up in your fucking hole, bitch. Yeah. Oh man, I'm having too much fun today. Yeah. Alright. You ever heard your teacher in math told you what you do to one side you need to do to the fucking other? You just balance the equation, bitch? Yeah, that's what the fuck we're doing. We're balancing. What you do to one side you need to do to the fucking other, man. So, we just replaced K-bar end links on one side, and now we're about to do it on the other. Why? Because I fucking said so. It's just the right thing to do, man. Do this shit the right fucking way, man. I don't play no fucking games. I don't play no fucking games, man. Eh? Don't play that shit, man. Huh? I ran out of battery. Right there for a minute, eh? Alright, this piece of shit right here had to do a little manipulating, trying to get it down in here in this hole here. Her vagina was so screwed up, I had to do some straightening. Get in that hole, yeah. Alright, anyway, alright, so we got a fucking 16mm right there, holding that shit right there, like that there. Shite, fucking A. Alright, man. Watch the fucking Grandmaster. Yeah, in action. Bitches! Alright. Fucking yeah. All up in your hole, bitch! Alright, yeah. Like that shit, huh? You like it? Huh? Yeah? Motherfucking bitch. Ooh, she's tight now. Ooh, she's tight. Bitch. Anyways. Sometimes you gotta talk dirty to it to make it do what you want her to do. So, anyway. Man, look at them fucking ball joints, man. Them fucking ball joints are fucked up. You can't see it, but it's busted on the inside. It's alright. That one looks a little kind of tight. You see how it's starting to squish right there a little bit? Of course. We like it tight. Oh yeah. We like it real tight. Anyway, that's how you install sway bar end links on your piece of shit Ford or any other piece of shit. Hey, just thanks for watching the motherfucking video. Happy motherfucking New Year. We out this bitch. Peace.